Dear honey, today gusto kong malaman mo how honored, privileged, and blessed I am that even with all imperfection, you still choose me as your husband. Di man ako kasing gwapo ng crush mo na si Jungkook, pero pinapangako ko na mamahalin kita araw-araw. I promise to listen when you don't feel heard. I promise to never lose our spark and always do little things to make you happy. I promise to say I love you before I walk out the door. I promise to work hard, not because you deserve it, but we deserve it. So let us stay addicted to each other. Let us love each other with all we have and give our best to this relationship.
Our journey together has seen its share of challenges, but with you, I've learned that together we can conquer anything. I promise to stand by your side, just as we did when we faced our problem. Team Charlie's kaya natin. Laban lang.
I want to keep craving for your touch and hugs. I want to keep sharing all my dreams and fantasies with you. I want to freeze time, this beautiful time between us, so that this memory stays in our hearts and souls forever. I want to lose all the sense of time, space, and the world around us when we are together. Becoming your husband today is the greatest title and honor I will ever have. I want to love you till death does us part. I love you.
I look forward to a future where we face whatever comes our way, hand in hand, with the same determination and love that's brought us here today. Honey, words can't express how deeply I love you and how grateful I am for the love you brought into my life. I promise to nurture our love, to stand by your side, through thick and thin, and to create a life full of laughter and cherished memories. So wakas, Han, after 6 years, ito na, ikakasal na ako sa jogging buddy ko, sa best friend ko, and ito, finally, asawa ko. I love you, honey.
Hindi na ako sanay na wala siya eh. Parang pag wala siya, hindi ako nairita ako. Parang kailangan ko siya lagi sa tabi ko, parang ganon.
Thank you, Han, kasi despite everything, di ba? So, for 6 years, we're here already, saying I do together later. And with our friends and family, susumpa na tayo sa Diyos. And last, I love you. So, see ya sa church.
Congrats and good health sa inyong dalawa. Kung ano man ang sisimulan nyo, ipagpatuloy nyo ng maayos at magandang pagsasama.
Honey, hindi ko naman mapapangako na lagi kitang mamahalin araw-araw. Of course, there will be a struggle. Parang kakaroon ng away, bati. Normal lang yan sa relationship. Pero makakaasa ka na pipiliin kita araw-araw. Ikaw at ikaw pa rin kahit ano mangyari. Mahal.
cannot love each other if you don't learn that love from God Himself. We are imperfect in everything, even in loving. We are imperfect.
Sorry muna sa lahat ng mga imperfection, stress na minsan ako yung nagkakos, pag-iinis sa'yo, and challenges na nakukuha mo din dahil sa akin. So, sorry, minsan hindi ko nagagampanan talaga ng, yung pagiging girlfriend, kung ano man talaga yung isang perfect na girlfriend or what. So, sorry din minsan, nagiging masungit, mataray ako sa kanya. So, I'm happy kasi hindi naman niya ako sinasakyan dun sa pagiging ganun ko.